What's up, Trail Trash? Welcome or welcome back. We are out at the creek tonight. It is hot. It's about 85 degrees right now. It's 8 o'clock. And I decided I would go camp. It's a Thursday night, July the 2nd. And I've got a busy weekend. I didn't think I would get out this weekend. Plus, I've got some projects I want to do on the FJ. I think this weekend is going to be a good weekend for that with the heat. It is scorching. Man, the heat's been unbearable. I do have my Cybertake S2 Pro with me. Should be comfortable tonight. I was last time. Had a few kinks, but I did work those out, and it is working properly, draining properly. As long as you have it level, it will drain properly. Oh, wow, at the spiders. I got to get all the spiders off my front here. Check this out. I ran through, oh no, I ran through some spiders, man. There's 1, 2, it's like banana spiders. 3. I hate spiders. Yeah, I gotta get those things off. Hang on. I don't like. Oh, no, no, no. Oh. Mm-mm. We're not having that. Ah. Oh, man, they're on me. Holy smokes. Ah! Dude, that's a lot of spiders. I gotta get those things off. There's baby ones. There's all kinds. Like, ugh. I gotta kick that one. Yep, you're dead. Holy smokes, man. Those things are wild, bro. Ugh. And there's one right there. He's dead. He can stay there. Oh, wow. There's like a lot of spiders. Dude, this is nasty. Ugh, get off. I gotta walk this over here and, gross. Man, that's wild. I hate spiders. Okay, that was a little bit intense. So I drove through some spiders earlier and they are all over the FJ. I opened the door on the, when I was getting out earlier to cut a tree, and a spider was hanging from a rooftop tent. So, anyway, and also I forgot to bring my tripod. So I'm gonna have trouble getting footage of setting up camp, but I'm probably gonna get one of my tables out real quick, set it up, set my camera up, and capture what I can. I will catch back up with you guys here in a little bit. I'm gonna go ahead and get set up and get ready for bed. Actually, I just came out here to camp for the night, so we'll catch up in a minute. All right, guys, I got camp set up. I got my tent up. I have my Cybertake inside, and I have it going. I'm actually about to get up in there. I'll show you my camp set up outside here, and then I'll show you how I have my AC set up there in the tent. So there's my Devos light over there. Always set it up. And then I turn my rock lights on. I pretty much use these for camp lights. I like being able to turn these on and just have some light around campsite without it being in your face. It's just enough. I can walk around, not have to have a light. When I get in the FJ, I have a light. When I get my tent, I have a light. But it just cuts down on the insects. That is my setup. I've got everything set up, and we'll get up in here. I think I need to get another, let me get my light. So I don't think you can see this, but this is my vent port there. That's on the passenger side. Let me shut this light off. And I also have the drain hose. Also have the drain hose coming through there. We'll get up in the tent, and I will show you my Cybertake setup. Oh wow, it is. It's already comfortable in here. That's really awesome. Let me see if I can brighten these lights. Oh my gosh, I got it on 70. I can get it colder, but dude, that is. I love that. So I got it on 70 right now, and I've got to set it. I think I'm set it on eco mode. Let me see. So I have it in eco mode. I had to find the button, and it's right there. It's an actual button that says eco. I didn't have my glasses on, but this thing is, I'm going to go ahead and kick it down to 68 and just zip the tent back up. But this is my living space, which plenty of room for me. I wouldn't have room if my wife was with me, but I can also set this up outside. I like doing it this way to recycle the fresh air, bring cold air in and get it cold. It's more efficient that way. But I'm gonna get out, zip this thing up, and let it run for a bit, and get my iPad up here and get ready for bed. All right, guys, I am in the tent. I've got the AC going on eco mode, and I got it blowing on me, so I should. I'm cooling off now. It was colder when I had it in regular mode, but I want it to last throughout the night. So I got it on eco mode. The battery started on 99%. It's on 93% now. My power station in the FJ. Soon I'm going to be getting a 48 volt battery just to run the AC. And it's running it off of DC power like that. It's more efficient. We'll see. But last time it made it through the night, and hopefully it will tonight as well. I've got my iPad up here, so I'm actually going to watch a little YouTube and get on Starlink, watch a little YouTube, and then just call it a night. I do have to work tomorrow, and we have a concert. My wife and I are going to Gavin Adcock at the Wharf, which is going to be, it's an outdoor venue at the beach, and it's going to be so hot, but I'm excited about it. I wanted to come out tonight, get away from everything, and just get out in the woods and camp. And I will try to get some footage in the morning. I do have some oatmeal and stuff I'm thinking about cooking. I'll catch up with you guys in the morning. Well, good morning. I'm all packed up now and about to head back home and get me a shower and get my work truck and head to work. Last night was good. It was comfortable with the Cybertake. I stayed comfortable. I did wake up right at 12 o'clock. So after 4 hours of sleep, I woke up to use the restroom and I noticed that I had a draining issue on the Cybertake. I got that figured out though. I tilted it back or tilted the front up a little bit and I could hear it running out the drain hose. So what was happening is sitting too low for the drain hose to go out my tent. So I turned my legs, I kicked my legs down on the platform. Little platform's got legs and they're adjustable. So I adjusted the front legs a couple inches longer than the back legs where the drain plug is. And that way the Cybertake was up above where the drain hose goes out. So, and then the front kicked up, it kept it running downhill the whole time. So I didn't have a drain issue after that. But the one issue I did have is waking up, I think about 2:30. Yeah, I think it was about 2:56, I think it was. I remember looking at the clock and the Cybertake was off. So I got down, checked the power station, and my power station was at 0. So I ran in an eco mode last night. The time before, I think I ran in an eco sleep. So I got to do some more testing on it because I ran out of power this time. The first time I didn't, I had 33% left on my power station. So I thought that would be plenty for a good night's rest. But I did run out last night. Again, I'm going to do some more testing. I was comfortable. Once I got down, I got have a little battery powered fan and I hung it in my tent. And that actually, I got good sleep the rest of the night. I was worried about that. But I just opened all the windows and it was actually a good night's rest. Pretty stoked about that. I do have to figure out uh, my power supply for the Cybertake, and I think that's just going to be a 48 volts battery and running off of DC, so it will not pull as much power. I think it'll last longer than the power station running the inverter and everything. But overall, a good night's rest. It was well worth getting out here and just getting away from everything going on. And like I said, we got a concert tonight, so I wanted to get out and relax a little bit before all of the traffic and everything tonight and just for the 4th of July. But anyway, thank you guys for joining along. I'm about to get in the FJ and try to capture some drone footage on the way out of here, so check that out. If you're not subscribed to the channel, please do so. If you got any questions, comments, please drop them below and I'll get to them. And until next time, stay trashy. All right, guys, so I am packed up and about to get out of here. I got to go to work today, so I want to get on home and get ready for that. But I had a good night's rest with the Cybertake 2, and it did fine. I did have another drain issue, but I got that corrected with the platform. And then after that, my power station died on me. I got about 5 hours of AC and then a couple of hours with just an electric fan, which it did fine. Last time I ran it, I had 33% left, but this time it was at 100%, but it was dead after 5 hours. I did run it on a different mode. It was just eco. It wasn't eco sleep mode. So I didn't look at how much power I was drawing when I started. I just went off last time's testing and I thought it would be good. But other than that, I did get a good night's rest. I have electric fans, so not a big deal. But again, I'm going to get out of here for now. If you got any questions or comments or anything I'm doing on the channel, please drop them below. If you're not subscribed to the channel, please do so. And until next time, stay trashy.